Auto Sales. We're out driving our 87 GMC K1500 short box. You can see we're going about 60, 3/4 tank of fuel. Oil pressure gauge does not work. Temp gauge coming up. Pretty good driving truck. I think needs some tires. I think it's got broken belt in one of the tires. We're probably gonna put some on, but as of right now, you're buying it with tires that are on it. Steering wheel's off a little bit. We do have alignment rack. We'll probably try to get in and get it aligned. Like I said, pretty tight cab. Goes down the road pretty decent. This is GMC, but they kind of pieced it together there. You can see they put a Silverado vent base right there. Probably must have got a new Chevy, or found a used Chevy dash. So, and it's got a grill with a bow tie in it. So. But an affordable square body short box. So if you're looking for, your budget isn't real big or you want to build something, this is a pretty solid old truck to do that too. So hit the brakes here. Come out of Wyoming, so that helps the rust factor. Brakes work good. Got some really funky mirrors on here, so first to second to third, and overdrive. So shift's good, runs good. Like I said, may need some tires. 605-695-7391.